This is the OPPO RENO 8G. So alam naman natin ang kanyang design dito sa likod is very nice. Very premium tingnan dahil sa kanyang eco-leather finish dito sa likod, which makes it very premium pagdating sa looks. And ang kanyang camera module is definitely one of the latest dahil double barrel ang kanyang camera module. But in this video, gusto natin malaman ang kanyang performance, especially sa kanyang camera. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So hi guys, I'm Pastor Lisbon ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Ito OPPO RENO 80 with an 8 gigs of RAM and a 256 GB of storage is currently priced at $18,999. But before natin pag-usapan further the phone na ito, unbox muna natin. And what I have here is 8 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of storage, and sunset orange ang kanyang color. Buksan natin. SIM ejector pin, documentations, more of a hybrid ang kanyang jelly case, frosted dito hindi. So this is the phone itself. Here are some quick specs: 100MP portrait camera, 5000 mAh battery, 46 month of fluency protection, and of course up to 8 gigs of extended RAM. 33 watts na superbook charger, and ang kanyang Type-C cable. So buksan natin. Ganda ng kanyang sunset orange. Double barrel camera setup. Ito yung pinagmamalaki niya, AI portrait camera na ultra clear lens ni OPPO. Gold ang kanyang side frames. So sa ilalim, nandiyan ang kanyang audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, of course, loudspeaker. On the side, nandiyan kanyang volume rocker and of course, SIM tray. Sundutin lang natin. So kita natin guys, triple card slot. Sa likod is isang SD card expansion. And sa kabila is dalawang nano SIM na 4G. Sa ibabaw, it's just the noise cancelling mic. On the other side, ang kanyang power button. And then dito ang kanyang punch hole camera. And the display is really fast. Na nakita na natin ang unboxing nito phone na ito, one of the main highlight dito sa phone na ito is ang kanyang fiberglass leather design dito sa likod. And this one is only available for the sunset orange na color variant. Hindi kasama yung kanyang black na color. And itong phone na ito comes with a 48 months na fluency protection. And sabi ni OPPO that the RENO 80 is the portrait expert. So malalaman natin a little bit later pagdating sa camera. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito naman sa phone na ito is extra light siya. Sobrang gaan niya, ang bilis hawakan. And ang bigat nito phone na ito is just around 180 grams. So definitely it's lightweight. So ang side frames niya is made out of plastic and harap niya is Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protected. So ang hawak natin dito right now is the 4G variant. There's another one na mas mahal, which is the 5G variant. Now, itong phone na ito is performing very smooth thanks to its MediaTek Helio na G99 na processor. So if you're checking kanyang Antutu benchmark, this is the score na makukuha mo. Ito naman score na makukuha mo when you break it down. Now, ito naman score na kuha na dito sa wildlife. Ito naman score na kuha na dito sa Geekbench. Now, nilagay ko naman phone na ito under thermal throttling test. Okay naman siya. Under 20 minutes for roughly mga 4 cycles na ginawa ko dito. Okay naman ang kanyang performance. All green. Probably the only thing na medyo nabibitin ako sa kanya is medyo maliit ang kanyang screen. It's only at 6.43 inch. And this one is a AMOLED display na may 90Hz screen refresh rate. Now, if you're a fan ng mga social media, scrolling on this phone is very enjoyable. Dahil smooth ang kanyang experience. Wala ka naman feel na problem nito dahil sa kanyang 90Hz screen refresh rate. Okay na okay ang kanyang response. And kung mahilig ka mag-scroll din dito sa Facebook, okay na okay din siya. Okay na max brightness is at around 800 nits. Pansin ko medyo makapal konti ang kanyang baba, but ang kanyang punch hole dito sa upper left corner is not that big. Now, if you're watching videos dito sa phone na ito, I can say okay na okay naman siya dahil sa kanyang AMOLED display, the colors are bright and punchy, and watching animes, basketball games dito, Korean novela, and name it, kayang-kaya na i-handle. And if you're watching naman mga dark movies, okay rin naman siya kasi the black is blacker and very satisfying pag nanonood ka ng mga dark movies sa phone na ito. Now, another thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is pag sinagad mo ang kanyang volume, kaya na mag-raise up to 200% ang kanyang loudness sa kanyang volume. So, if you're watching together with the whole barkada, okay na kanyang loudspeaker dito dahil malakas ang kanyang sounds and okay ang kanyang quality, hindi sabog. By the way guys, ang kanyang second loudspeaker is nakatago dito sa grills dito. Now, playing games like Call of Duty Mobile, okay naman, kaya naman na i-handle. But there are times na mafe-feel mo may kunting frame drops. So, don't expect too much dahil this phone isn't really much geared towards gaming. But if you're planning to play Genshin Impact, expect na medyo hindi magandang performance. It's about tayo na pag-usapan natin ang Portrait Expert. This one has triple camera setup dito sa likod. 100MP na main camera sensor, 2MP na microscope lens, and 2MP na depth sensor. Now, the only limitation dito sa kanya is that this one can only record up to 1080p and 30fps. Ang kanyang camera sa harap is a 32MP na shooter which can only record up to 1080p and 30fps as well. Now, honestly, nung nilabas ko tong camera na ito, I was really amazed and excited ako i-try out ang kanyang capability pagdating sa pag-picture taking. Now, itong Reno 80 surprised me in a lot of ways dahil mga pictures na kuha ko outdoors are very nice, very sharp, and I like using this camera taking pictures outdoors dahil sobrang lively ang mga photos and very sharp. And even taking this shot using the macro lens is really nice. Now, taking some food shots dito using this phone, I can say ang ganda, ang sarap tingnan ng mga food shots na ito, which looks really yummy. Ginamit naman natin ang microscope lens, and this is what I found. This is something na hindi natin makikita using our naked eye, but there seems to be a insect or parasite na nakakapit sa kanya. Now, looking at other plants na medyo maliliit din, this is what I got. Bringing the phone indoors, ang ganda. The camera really can perform, no problem, kahit low light, sisyo dito sa camera niya. Now, using the front-facing camera, well, honestly, believe ako sa camera na. That's kanya 32MP na front-facing shooter. Ang ganda ng mga pictures na nakuha ko, be it indoor, be it outdoor. Lahat ng shots na nakuha ko dito is very bright and very punchy thanks to its very nice camera dito sa harap. Now, if you're vlogging using the front-facing camera, okay naman, hindi siya matagtag yung sa harap, except na medyo limited ka nga lang talaga sa 1080p and 30fps. Now, using the rear camera naman dito sa kanya, ang ganda rin ng mga videos na nakuha ko dito, very stable, and ang ganda ng kanyang reproduction. Except na talagang na-limited ka sa 1080p and 30. Now guys, if you're out there and looking for a really nice camera under 20,000 pesos, itong OPPO RENO 80 is probably one of my good suggestions for you. And if you like yung mga design ng mukhang premium na may leather finish dito sa likod and very thin ang kanyang phone, I think this one is just simply perfect for you. And magaan siya at 180 grams, and this one can last you for the whole day on one single charge. Kaya niya i-handle ang daily tasks mo dahil this one has a 5,000 mAh of battery. If you'd like to know kung saan na pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. Just check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na rin bell icon para di nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.